Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my God!
Not there.
Hey!
What a douchebag.
Oh, okay.
What does he have on that third?
Stop right here.
Oh,
Oh, we're just seeing something that's cool. No.
how you bunch of records?
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
Look at this idiot!
Oh my God, stay away from him. She's good.
Are you letting her cross? Are you serious?
No, get out of the lady!
Wow. She's like.
Jeez.
The two idiots meet.
Air Canada flight. It was supposed to be flying from Morocco to Montreal.
My goodness, people.
And it was canceled
Honestly.
because apparently
Honestly.
a passenger. You know, I don't know about you, but when I'm flying, I do get cold.
Going in, gutter, why they started me? Molly, why they started me? I bring it to your front door like you ordered me. Back in this bitch, but a lot more rich. On my Papa Bear shit, need hot porridge. Got a lot more shit than you can ever fathom.
Sounds like a no-brainer.
Shop Blinds.com now for summer savings up to 45% off. Save up to 45% at Blinds.com. Blinds.com. Rules and restrictions may apply.
We have returned.
Oh, what the fuck?
You literally have the green. Are you sure? There's a green light right there. A lot of people were honking. What the hell? Really good.
Yeah, these people are here from Florida, so I want to watch them. That was you.
Yeah, someone cut me off. Like right behind his mirror, and it looked like a little GoPro type of thing. Yeah, there's that person cutting off a literal.
Dumbass.
Wants to meet up for a talk, and I agreed to it. Then, 4 months later, OP posted an update. To make things short, my wife died, and I'm
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.